Oy. I swear I'm not short. I'm actually 6'1", but the car's on jack stands. Anyways, today we are doing the handbrake extension from Some Bitch Racing. Yes, you heard that right. The company's name is Some Bitch Racing. So I'm pretty sure many of y'all have either seen it or used it or at least heard of this handbrake extension thing. You can put it on damn near any car that you want, as long as the shaft is no bigger than 21mm. Yeah. And it comes with this installation instruction. I'm gonna read it real quick. Thank you for your support. This handbrake extension was designed for use on BMWs. However, with its simple design, it can work on many other platforms as long as the ergonomics work out and the handbrake shaft is no bigger than 21mm. Included in your purchase is one handbrake extension with grip. I chose the blue one because I love blue. And two 10/24 by 1/4 inch long set screws and free sticker with an A. Yeah. Installation instructions: unwrap or cut the rubber from your factory handbrake handle. Remove spring behind the factory button. Hold on. Yeah, there it is. And remove the spring. It's really simple. On the BMW, just unscrew it. And there you go. You see. Ta-da! That's the spring. And then you can screw it back on if you may. Yeah. Right. Slide handbrake on. Perfect. Apply Loctite to set screws and tighten onto handbrake handle. Enjoy. Oh, well, let's tighten it up then. Oh, for best performance, tighten factory handbrake adjusters and replace worn out hardwares as needed. So that is actually highly recommended by damn near everybody. If you didn't know about this, now you do. Because if your hardwares are worn out, your brake shoes or brake pads are worn out, your brake calipers are worn, the brake rotors are worn out, no matter how long this is, it's not gonna work. And another important thing is you have to adjust the brake shoes properly. I'm gonna make a separate video about it, but as for now, let's put this on with this two little screws. Maybe I'll buy a drift button, put it over there. I don't think it's gonna slide out. Oh, shit. I'm fat. So to tighten these little screws up, you need damn, what size this was? A 3/32 or I think 2mm hex key. As for the Loctite, I am using the blue one. there you go. Alright, so I'm filming this after I finish the whole video, but I think this is worth filming. Remember I said I might get a drift button and put it over this, and now I came up with a better idea. By better, I mean cheaper. Obviously, this is the electric tape, and what I'm doing right now is just, yeah, wrapping it over the original handbrake button until, you know, hold on. Nope, that is not gonna do it. Hold on. Yep, nope, not yet. Until it's thick enough, until this is thick enough to stay inside of it, inside of the shaft by itself. So let me see, maybe like 3 more rounds will be good enough. And also I think this way is gonna look a lot cleaner than having an odd drift button. Okay. Yeah, now I can feel it. This, the fitness is just right. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna stay in. It doesn't even want to pop out. Now I can still pull it out, and then, yeah, push it in, pull out. There you go. So after this, I recommend you guys to do at least some sort of test drive. Not like, you know, grabbing the handbrake in the middle of driving, but, you know, to just see if you like the position, if you need to readjust it, because this is actually not straight up. It's actually tilting towards the driver's side. And the reason behind that is, once you drop it down, if you put it dead in the middle, it's actually going to interfere with the shifter. Yeah, I need to readjust the shifter as well now that I'm here. I'll figure it out later on actually. But anyways, that's it for the installation. The reason I chose this route instead of a hydro setup is, well, obviously this requires 2 minutes and the hydro probably requires 2 to, I don't know, 10 hours if you're lucky, because, you know, there's always something popping up. And this is a lot cheaper. I do have a inline hydro setup, and from Part Shop Max, I bought that like 4 years ago, something like that. So I don't really have to spend any money. It's just the time that I don't want to spend on something like that, because this is an entry-level car. It has 180 horsepower on a good day, and I don't think I'll ever need a proper I have to take that back right now, because I might make that as a video in the future just to show you guys how to do it. But as for now, this is totally enough, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's simple like that. So grab yourself one from Some Bitch Racing. And no, by the way, this video is not sponsored. I like the product, that's all. So I thought I should give them a shout out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out all of my other videos. Peace.